Information related to the giveaway would be present in between my video. To get the information, watch the full video. Hey guys, welcome back to this amazing game review series in which today we are going to review the game of two amazing players, Arman, which is a chess master, and Gotham Chess, whom you all know is an international master. So let's start the review. The Gotham has white pieces and the Arman have black pieces. Let's see what happens in the game. So as you can see, the Gotham has moved his pawn to e4, controlling d5 and f5 squares. Now as you can see, the opponent has played a Sicilian defense controlling the d4 square. Now Gotham has made a very unusual move by moving his pawn to a3, which I think prepares his pawn to d4 to attack this pawn, which is present on c5. His opponent played a very good move by moving his pawn to d5, which helps in attacking the e4 pawn. Gotham has captured the pawn and the queen has recaptured it. The knight has come out and a knight is now activated of Gotham. The opponent's knight has also been activated, but this knight should be activated first according to the chess.com engine. Now Gotham has activated his another knight threatening his queen. The queen has now go back to his safety. Now let's see what is another move. Knight is now going into the black area. Now the black is preparing his bishop to activate. Oh, there is a stunning check given by the Gotham chess. Now the check is being blockaded by the opponent's knight. Now the Gotham has castled because I think he's want to take an advantage of an open e file, which is not open but exactly, but it will open surely. Now the opponent has activated his bishop by moving his bishop to d6 and attacking the Gotham's knight by two ways, like this also, like this also. Now the Gotham has tried to control his knight by save his knight by moving his pawn to d4 square. The opponent has now castled. The knights, now there will be a war of exchanges. As you can see, the knight has captured the knight and has been recaptured by the bishop. Now the bishop of Gotham has been activated and moving to g5 square. Now the pawn has been captured and which is captured by the Gotham's queen again. Now the opponent has offered is going to exchange equal materials, which is good, and which is now threatening this bishop also. The bishop has returned back to its safety, which is offering an equal trade of queen. And Gotham has accepted the trade and traded the queens. Now the Gotham is offering the trade of rooks, which his opponent is not accepting and threatening Gotham's knight. The knight has returned back to its safety. Now the opponent Arman, which is a CM, not chief minister, chess master, is now threatening Gotham's bishop. In which response Gotham has retrieved his bishop to h4. According to the chess.com engine, it should have returned to f4 because there is not this, and then he will go here and then I don't know where. Now the opponent has moved his rook to c8. Now the Gotham has exchanged the rooks. Now the Gotham is offering another exchange of rooks, which his opponent has accepted. Now you can see the punishment that Gotham is facing by not moving his knight to f4 square. Now he has to retreat his knight to g3 square, which is wasting a lot of his moves. Now his opponent is attacking his bishop again, which is offering an equal trade of material. But Gotham has put his bishop on the center, which gave him a wide scope. But this scope is not lasted long, as his opponent is threatening his bishop again. His bishop has retreated from here, which shouldn't have been done. It should retreat either here, offering an equal exchange of knight, or here, because then the bishop is threatened again. The bishop has returned back to its safety, which denies its scope that it got earlier. Now the king is being activated. Now the Gotham has attacked his opponent knight, and now Gotham has forcefully has to exchange its bishop. As you can see, now Gotham is marching towards promotion with his pawns. His opponent is offering a pawn exchange, which Gotham hasn't accepted.
The time has come for which you were waiting. In this giveaway, I will distribute a full professional chessboard to one of our beloved subscribers. To participate in the giveaway, you have to simply follow 3 steps. Subscribe this channel, leave a beautiful comment on this channel in this video, and I will pick randomly among the comments that have come and will give him a chessboard. Thank you.
According to the chess.com engine, the Gotham should have moved here, because then the knight has to go knight can go either here, which is not possible. Knight can go either here, knight can't go here, and knight can't go here, and knight has to go here, which leads him to capture a pawn. But this didn't happen, and there was a successful pawn exchange. Now these pieces can march up here. As you can see, now the king is being more activated by marching towards white pieces. The knight is also being activated as very much. Now the game is going towards the end game. The knight has retreated itself from c5 square to e6 square. Now the king is being at the center of the board, which is the center attraction of the game. Now the knight is coming here. According to the chess.com engine, the black pieces should have moved their pawn here, which leads to this, and this, which leads to more activation of the king. But let's see what happens in the game. Now Gotham is also marching towards the promotion with his pawns by moving his pawn to c4. Now the stunning move by his opponent has been made, in which his opponent has moved his pawn to h5, but according to the chess.com engines, the king has to move to f7 square. But I don't know why. I think that his opponent has done a very great job by moving his pawn to h5. According to the chess.com engine, here is written, this misses an opportunity to eventually win a pawn. Let's see how show moves. But here is loss. All the pawns have lost it here. Let's leave it. Now the Gotham has moved his pawn to h4. Now let's see what the black pieces will be doing. The black pieces has captured his pawn on g4, and Gotham has resigned here, which led his opponent CM Arman to the victory. This is the end of the video. Hope to see you again very much soon. Thank you.